Hello, dear my friends. Today, I'd like to show you one of our customer ship on board LED. Yes, you can see its shape is very strange, right? Yes, this one is used for one of our customer, and his industry is medical equipment. Yes, we have service for many customers that in medical industry and beauty industry. Our ship on board LED is used for their equipment. Yes. So what we can customer is the shape, is the size, is a LES shape, LES size, and we can customer the colors, the power, customer voltage, electric parameters. Because of its high power, so its light is very so lightly, right? And this one is used high LED shapes intensity, and its luminous uniformity is very good. This one is white color, but we can customize for you for different colors requirements. It's like two circles together, right? So dear my friends, if you have any requirements of the custom COB LED for your special equipment, just let me know your detailed info. I think I can give you an best wonderful solution of that. Welcome your inquiry. Thank you.